KREF 1400 AM is a radio station broadcasting a sports radio format. Licensed to Norman, Oklahoma, United States. The station serves the Oklahoma City area. The station is currently owned by Metro Radio Group, LLC, and carries programming from Fox Sports Radio, Premier Radio Networks and Westwood One FM translator. KREF is also broadcast on the following FM translator. KREF website. Query the FCC's AM station database for KREF. Radio locator information on KREF. Query Nielsen Audio's AM station database for KREF. Query the FCC's FM station database for K257DA. Radio locator information on K257DA.